Hey guys, so I'm on the way to go get my nails did finally. No more chrome for me. Or I don't know, I may get a different color chrome. Probably not. And I'm thinking if I want to go back to coffin shaped. Sorry, I know you guys heard the blinker, but yeah, I didn't really put on any makeup today. I just put on a little highlighter and a little bit of powder. And then some mascara, and that's it. Yeah, it's a rainy day here in San Diego. We rarely have rainy days, and I'm so happy. Like, I love gloomy and rainy days. Like, that's why I miss Atlanta, one of the reasons why. But anyways, let me drive. Bye guys. It's 1 p.m. and I'm officially late for my nail appointment. I'm never late, but I got distracted with cleaning, and then people in San Diego aren't used to the rain, so they act like they can't drive in the rain. But someone like me who's used to driving in the rain is like nothing serious. So yeah, I'm late. I'm like 5 minutes away though, so yeah. So I just finished getting my nails did. I got like a burgundy or red, I don't know. Is it even focusing? I don't think so. Let's see. So these are my nails. I got like this red shade with like black sparkle on one finger. And I decided to just stick with the stiletto shape. And why is my thing not focusing? So I don't know what I'm about to do now. Probably, oh well, I have to go pick up Bree in a moment. What time is it? It's 2:20. I may go get me like something to drink, like, I don't know. Like something, I don't know. But anyways, I have to pick Bree up at 3. So I'm probably just gonna head there from here after I figure out if I want to get something to drink or not. And yeah, still rainy day. I probably won't be doing much. Today is Tuesday the 20th, and then this is like my normal off day, and also Wednesday I'm off as well. So maybe it'll be a little more eventful tomorrow.
Hello, but should we have you lunch or breakfast today?
I just want to drink. I want to do the medium strawberry shake.
Okay, anything else?
That's all.
It's gonna be $3.77.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I know McDonald's isn't like the healthiest thing ever, but I just wanted a milkshake or something. So I got a strawberry milkshake, and plus McDonald's was like the closest thing, like that's not out of the way of where I need to go. So yeah, that's what I got. It's actually pretty good. Thumbs up for McDonald's strawberry milkshake. So I don't even know if you guys can see this, but I have no business being on Sephora right now. Hashtaggy. But anyways, so I want to order this Tarte clay pot in the shade Spirit Animal. And then I'm going to get the Laura Mercier Fall in Love Face Illuminator collection, which is 58, I believe. So the Spirit Animal is 21 and this is 58. But it comes with 4 of the highlighters, which are so pretty, it looks like. Then I want to get this little Bite Beauty set. It comes with 4 of the Amuse Bouche or whatever they're called lipsticks. So it's the Bite Beauty The Perfect Bite Set, which is only $25, and all the colors in there I really like. And then I want to get that's it. And then I have samples in here. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and place this order. It comes to $104 before tax. But anyways, yeah, I just want to show you guys. I may show you guys when I actually get it so you guys can see it. Some swatches. So I'm working on creating an end slate for my videos because I think it's about time I have one. So I'm using PicMonkey, which is very easy to follow. That's the one I'm going to use. So I'm just doing a very basic one for now because I'm not that fancy. I don't know how to do all this stuff. So this will be my end slate. I need to add the social media things again. And I feel like I need to put something down here, but I don't know what yet. But I'm sure in this vlog, you guys will see it because it should be done by the time I'm editing this one. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I take it down. So I'm just going to use this wide tooth comb and comb it out. And this is the finished result. So you can add some shine spray, which I like to add, which is also from Drybar. And this is the sparkling soda shine mist. And I'm just gonna spray some of this. Okay, so this is basically all I do to straighten my hair and get some body and movement. So yeah, that's all. So I'll see you guys later. I'm actually about to go pick Bree up and then we're just coming home. Her sister and cousin is actually coming here tomorrow, so that's happening. But yeah, this is my hair. Oh my god, I'm so mad right now. Bree, I drove all the way here on base. And this girl just texted me and said, I'm stuck here working. I just found out and I don't know how long I'll be. I'm so pissed. Like, if you guys probably don't know, because I'm sure a lot of you guys haven't been to San Diego or drove to the base on the island. So at this time it's 3:18. Like after 3, the traffic is horrible on base. So by the time I sit in traffic to go all the way back home, it'll probably be time to come back and pick her up. So like if I go home right now, it'll probably take me like an hour and 15 minutes to get home. So now I'm just stuck here because oh my gosh, I'm so upset right now. Oh my gosh. Whoosah. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed still. It is 4:38, so it's been like an hour and 30 minutes since she told me she wasn't getting off. Like, I thought she would have been out by now. I was thinking like maybe an hour, but I guess not. And I'm almost out of gas because I have to have the air on right now because it's super like muggy outside. So if I roll the windows down, it's gonna frizz my hair up, which I don't want. So I'm like 55 miles until E, and we're gonna be in traffic once we finally leave here. So it's just so annoying. This girl.
You really waited for me? Oh man. I can't believe it.
Finally, like an hour and 45 minutes later. Stinking butt.
Yo, I cannot believe you really waited for me. Like, damn, man.
Hi guys, so I'm at work and this is Randy. No, you aren't. Say hey. No, he doesn't want to be on camera, but he does. But then he doesn't.
No, I didn't. I'm not allowing this.
Well, you're going on.
No.
So yeah, we're just at work. It's so right now. Well, you can actually go on break.
You can turn it off.
You can go on break. You probably can't even hear us because it's so loud, and I'm probably getting copyright. This is my Courtney.
No, this ain't happening. This ain't happening right now. I'm sorry. Sorry. Yeah, we're deleting that.
No, we aren't. So it's probably super windy, but we're currently at the beach. I'm not like getting in the water. It's like, what time is it? It's 5:24, so it's kind of chilly, like windy here. So yeah, Bree and her sister and cousin are down there. They came to visit. So yeah, I'm watching this stuff because my pants won't roll up any further. They need some frisbee work. My face looks bleeds. This is Lavette, Bree's sister.
Hi, you guys.
And that Stretch, her cousin.
No, I have 36.
I thought I was playing one.
I got 32. Why? 32.
I stay out of ball.
This little kid, it's a swing, boy. It's a giant swing.
No, that ain't no.
Going.
Somebody gonna get strep throat. All that yelling. They gonna lose their voice.
Baby, you know who I am. Girl, I know just who you are. We ain't gotta rush into shit, cause being in love is too hard.